Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make flowers using basic shapes on Adobe Illustrator. So select the polygon tool, and I'm just going to change it to 6 sides again. Go to Effect here, go to Distort and Transform, and select Pucker and Bloat. Here, you're just going to select Bloat to create a flower shape and press OK. You can copy and paste that. And then to create the inside part, obviously you're going to select the ellipse tool to do that, and you're going to change the color of it like so. Copy and paste that again and center it. You can make any kind of shape you want. Maybe you want it to be 5 petals, and then I'm just going to change the color. Again, go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Pucker and Bloat, and you're going to select Bloat instead and press OK, and you got this cute flower. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!